For this video, we are comparing ManyChat and Zapier. So if you are weighing both tools for automating your business processes, here's what you need to know. Both offer unique ways to streamline communication and workflow. Let's break down the pros and cons to help you choose the right tool. So for ManyChat, this is a strong choice if you need a platform focused on building and managing automated messaging on channels like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and also SMS. So the chatbot builder that's visual and straightforward, it doesn't need any coding. So if you start it from scratch, I just need to show you that right now. So let us try to create one. So I'm going to start from scratch. So you click this button right here, and then you just need to drag and drop different contents, AI, and even logic actions here in your automation, and then you'll be able to create an automation from scratch here in ManyChat. So also it has seamless integration with e-commerce platforms for better engagement or customer engagement, and it has a multi-channel support so we can manage interactions across different social media from one place. Now for the pros of it, again, it is very simple. It is visually oriented chatbot, or it has a visually oriented chatbot design, and it also has built-in analytics to monitor your engagement. That is highly helpful if you are trying to monitor all of your engagement for each platforms that you are using. So it is good also for lead generation, customer support, and also marketing. But for the cons of it, it has limited for messaging or for messaging platforms and won't cover other parts of your workflow. It has fewer integration options than a tool like Zapier. So if you're focused on improving customer engagement through messaging, ManyChat does this well. Now for Zapier, let's head to Zapier now. So Zapier is ideal if your focus is on connecting different apps to automate general workflows across various tools like Gmail, also Google Sheet, Slack, and more. So as you can see right here, you'll have different templates, or you'll be able to use different templates according to the tools that you are using. So these apps even let you set up custom workflows across apps without complex setup. And it is very versatile, or it has very versatile automation options for CRM and project management and beyond. Now for the pros of it, it has wide compatibility with a large variety of apps. It is great for flexibility when it comes to connecting tools that don't typically integrate directly. So perfect for general task automation with no code required. For the cons of it, it is less specific in customer messaging on social media or automation. Social media automation, complex workflows can be a little bit pricey. As you can see here, this is the starting paid plan for Zapier. And now for the bottom line of it, Zapier is great if you need a flexible, broad approach to automation. So if you are, or if messaging automation is what you need, especially for social media, ManyChat is purpose built for it. And for a broader automation again, or broader automation scope, Zapier may be your best choice. So either way, you can start with ManyChat's free account using the link down below. So that is all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.